Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Lacerte Tax for optimized tax planning, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the official Lacerte Tax website. On the home page, locate the Products tab in the main menu. Hover over the Products tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Lacerte Tax from the options provided in the drop-down. You will be directed to the Lacerte Tax overview page. Here, review the features and benefits of the software. Scroll down to find the pricing section. Choose the pricing plan that best fits your needs. You will be redirected to the subscription page. Fill out the required information in the sign-up form. Provide your name, email address, and contact information. Create a secure password for your account. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Enter your payment details accurately. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. If applicable, enter any promo codes for discounts. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Submit or Complete Purchase button to finalize your subscription. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email shortly. Follow the instructions in the email to access your Lacerte Tax account. Log in with the credentials you created during the subscription process. Begin exploring the features available to optimize your tax planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.